According to John 14:28, the Lord Jesus Christ said that the Father is greater than I. Did he mean that the Father is better than him in essence, not just superior to him in rank? Or did he mean that the Father is greater than him by virtue of the status in heaven? Looking at the context, John 1:12-14. Whatever you ask in my name, this I will do. God alone can answer all prayers, do us invocations, etc. Christ is saying, if all of you ask me, I'll answer all of you. So that requires omniscience. It also requires omnipresence and omnipotence, in order for Christ to personally guarantee that he will answer all the prayers offered to him. However, only God is omniscient. Only God is omnipresent. Only God is omnipotent. Yet Jesus' statements here in John 14 presuppose that he believed he was all of these things. He is omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. Notice John 14:23. Jesus answered him, "If anyone loves me, he will keep my word, and my Father will love him, and we, Father and I, will come to him and make our home with him." Did you see what Jesus just claimed? Christ says that he too will spiritually dwell with anyone and everyone who truly loves him. He's claiming to be present with every believer, in the same sense and to the same degree that the Father is. And it's saying that Christ shows that he believed he was co-equal with the Father in essence and nature. Clearly in John 14:28, Jesus could not be saying that the Father is greater than him in essence. So in what sense is the Father greater than the SN? Christ gives us an idea in John 1:7, verse 5. Now Father, glorify me in your presence with the glory that I had. Notice, used to have with you before the world existed. Here Christ claims that he shared the very divine glory that the Father has. And he shared this with the Father even before the world began. And yet while on earth, he had set aside this glory. Here goes John 14:28 one more time. You heard me say to you, I'm going away and will come to you. If you love me, now notice this, if you love me, you would have rejoiced, because I'm going to the Father, for the Father's great deny. So basically, what Jesus is telling the disciples is this: if I return to the Father, I'll be basking in the very divine glory that the Father possesses, which belongs to me. And the glory I had with him before the world was. That's what Jesus means when he says, the Father is greater than I, not in terms of essence or nature, but in terms of status and glory.